Do you want a rich, melt-in-your-mouth beef ragu that tastes like it's simmered all day, but is ready in just 30 minutes? Today we are going on a flavor adventure with the pressure cooker. Start with 800 grams of beef neck. I love this cut because it has the perfect balance of fat and connective tissue, which guarantees that rich, silky flavor we want. Now cut the beef into smaller chunks. Why? Trust me, there is a very specific reason for this, and I will show you at the end. Season generously with salt and pepper. Grab your pressure cooker, add a little oil and get it hot. We want to sear the meat on all sides in a single layer. Don't rush it. If it sticks, wait. The meat will release easily on its beautifully brown. Once golden, set the meat aside on a plate. That brown stuff left in the pot, that is pure flavor. In the same pot, add 3 carrots and 1 medium onion. Give it a stir and saute for 2 minutes to pick up those meat juices. Now for the aromatics. Add a teaspoon of ground cumin for warmth and 3 cloves of crushed garlic. The moment you smell that garlic, drop in a small can of tomato paste, 70 grams. Sauteing the paste removes the acidity. Add a can of chopped tomatoes. Now here's my secret weapon for umami, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. If you like a little kick, add a tablespoon of sambal oleg. Pour in 500 milliliters of beef broth and return that beautiful meat to the pot. Seal the lid and cook at pressure for 30 minutes. Time's up. Open it and look at that color. Take the meat out. Be careful, it's tender. Remember, I told you to cut the meat small? Here is why. When you shred it now, you get perfect bite-sized pieces. If you leave the chunks too big, you get long, stringy strands of meat that are annoying to eat with pasta. This is perfect. You can serve this right away. But honestly, the ragu tastes even better the next day after the flavors have melded. Finish with freshly chopped parsley and a shower of Parmesan cheese. Simple, indulgent and delicious. And there you have it, friends, an indulgent home cooking adventure in half the time. If you love tender beef recipes like this, you have to check out my beef goulash or my garlic beef stew videos right here. They are just as easy and packed with flavor. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. I will see you in the next video.